Lesson 1.3. Use distance and midpoint formulas. At the end of today's lesson, you will be able to successfully find the lengths of segments in the coordinate plane. The midpoint of a segment is the point that divides the segment into two congruent segments. So if I have a segment here, M will be my midpoint, and these two little markers here indicate that these two segments are congruent. A bisector is a point, line, or line segment, or even a plane that intersects the segment at its midpoint. So here I have an example of a line DC bisecting the segment AB at point M. So segment AM will be congruent to segment MB. Example 1, find RS. So if RT is 21.7, we just have to double it to get 43.4. Example 2, find AB. Same thing, we take 2 1/4 and we double it. Which is 4. Example 3. Point C is the midpoint of segment BD. Find the length of BC. So I'm going to have to set 3x minus 2 equal to 2x plus 3. And take 2x and subtract it from 3x, which is x, and then it will be equal to 5. Now, I'm not done here. I'm going to have to take 3x minus 2. So take 3 times 5 is 15, minus 2, 13. So 13 will be the length of BC. Example 4. Point K is the midpoint of segment JL. Find the length of KL. So I'm going to take 8 minus 3x equals 2x plus 5. And then 3x, negative 3x, move it over to the other side, which would be 5x. And then 8 minus 5, 3x equals 3 over 5. Now I need to take 2x plus 5, sub x in, and this will be 31 over 5, which is 6 1/5. Now, let's move on to the midpoint formula. The coordinates of the midpoint of a segment are the averages of the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates of the endpoints. So if we have point A, x1, y1, and point B, x2, y2, and if there are the points in the coordinate plane, then the midpoint M of AB has coordinates M sub x, M sub y, and the formula will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So they are the averages of the x coordinates. And the same thing goes for the y. Now let's find the midpoint for part A. So point P, point R. I'm going to find midpoint as negative 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 5 plus 3 divided by 2, and this will be 1, 4. Now for part B, you want to find the endpoint. So we need to set up two equations. I'm going to let endpoint C be x2, y2. And point A be x1, x2. Now the midpoint's given. So let's first work on the x-coordinates. So 3 equals x1 plus x2. Since x1 is 1, well, 1 plus x2 divided by 2. So 6 x2 will be equal to 5. And for the other one, 4 would equal to 6 plus y2 divided by 2, and this will be 8. And y2 will equal to 2. So your midpoint, your endpoint C will be 5, 2. Example 6 is very similar to example 5. I would like you to take a couple minutes to solve them on your own, and then continue to play the video for the answers. Now check your answers. Now we have the distance formula. If point A, defined by x1, y1, and point B, defined by x2, y2, are points in a coordinate plane, then the distance between A and B is defined by this following formula. Example 7. What is the approximate length of segment RT with endpoints R 3, 2 and T negative 4, 3? So we just have to substitute these points into this formula. So I will let this be the first point and this be the second point. So I'm going to take negative 4 and subtract positive 3 and square it. I'm going to add it to the y coordinates. 3 minus 2 and then square it. And then we can go ahead and solve this. And further simplify this to 5 square root of 2. Now I would like you to pause the video and calculate example 8 on your own, and then continue the video for the answer. Now check your answer. We will continue the lesson in class.